Hello everybody. In this video we will learn how to get follow feature on your Facebook. You can enable this feature from your cell phone or from your laptop. As you can see, I have a pointing arrow on a following, so we will do this one from our cell phone device. Hey friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on subscribe button, then click on ring bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. Now let's talk about a little bit about a follow. What is the benefit? Like say Facebook, now you can post video stuff on Facebook and you can start earning money as people earning money from YouTube. Like say YouTube, you can earn money by monetize your video by advertising, and same thing you can do with Facebook. You can post your video stuff like that and you have a follower and people watching you. You can monetize your Facebook videos and you can start earning some money. But for that one, Facebook have a requirement. You have to have a 10,000 follower to monetize your Facebook. For this one, if you don't have a following option, probably it's gonna take a long time because you have to send a friend request and people have to accept, or somebody have to be send you friend request. And also you need to have a like a Facebook business page. For that one, how you can turn on following option? Let's start now. First, you have to open your Facebook, and this is my personal Facebook page. And at right down corner, you click and another menu open. That's you can see. Second from the top is my business. Like this one is my business Facebook page, and you have to have a business Facebook page. There they will let you know how many people reaching you, how many were watching you, on anything. To turn on the following option, then you have to go back at the same spot. Let's talk about right in the corner the three line. You click on it, then this page will be open. From this page we're gonna click on all the way down like a scroll setting and privacy. Once you click, then another menu pop up. Now we're gonna click on settings. After settings, then you will see there's a lot of option. From that option we have to find the public posts. Once you click on public posts, then the next page will be open. Over here from the top you can see like public post, who can follow me. I have only friends right now. That's the way I have to send a friend request to you guys to be follow me or something, but we're gonna do public. And this page going to be viewable, followable, and commentable for public. So now I'm gonna click everything on public. Top will be the who can follow me, public. Anybody can follow me. And second option follow, and the last one is comment. I'm gonna do public. And the third one is not like really information like who can see my information. I can do public or friends, it doesn't matter. I can do public right now, so my this page will be open for public. That's all. And you can just go back and your following option will be appear on your Facebook page. Actually, if you try to open your page by itself, it's not gonna show you follow option because you cannot follow yourself. So you have to go to somebody else's Facebook page and open it, and it will show following option on the Facebook. Once you got achieved your requirement on Facebook, you will start earning money from Facebook. And there's a couple other requirements. Next to like 10,000 followers, you have to have a 3-minute video and you have a someone like hours to watch hours, something like that. We will talk in next video. And this video was about to how to get the following option on your Facebook page. So that's the way you can get that one. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.